Well, he was given a life sentence for kidnapping 8-year-old Cherish Perrywinkle and a life sentence for her rape. But the murder of Cherish Perrywinkle deserved death. Judge Mallory Cooper said that, and today she issued that most final sentence.
And with that final sentence, a long and what has been a very sad chapter that began in June 2013 came to an end. On Your Side's Ann Schindler has been covering the penalty trial since the first day of jury selection back in February, and she joins us tonight live outside the courthouse. Ann?
Well, Donald Smith is going to spend the rest of his days on Florida's death row, and given the jury's unanimous verdict in this case, the judge's decision to sentence him to death today was not terribly surprising, but even in a case with a lot of dark moments, today was particularly somber.
I will now ask you to present your client, Donald Smith, before the bench for sentencing.
Judge Mallory Cooper's comments were brief and unvarnished.
Donald Smith, you have not only forfeited your right to live among us, but under the laws of the state of Florida, you have forfeited your right to life at all.
Smith's crime was so egregious, the judge said, death is the only appropriate penalty.
Donald James Smith, may God have mercy on your soul.
Rain Perrywinkle, the mother of Smith's victim, cried out hell no at that point, but after court, she struggled to find words.
It's like I never thought this day would come, and now it's here, and now I'm just stumped for words. I just wish Cherish was here to see it.
For Smith, though, Rain Perrywinkle had one very clear message.
I can say burn in hell. That's what I want to say. I want him to burn in hell.
Anytime you hear a capital sentence rendered, it's an emotional moment, but specifically here, the court took the time to walk through the facts, and as you well know, the facts are horrific.
State Attorney Melissa Nelson said she was gratified to bring the case to a close. She credited co-counsel Mark Khalil, who was there the morning Cherish's body was found and handled much of the case. He acknowledged today's sentence is just the beginning of what may literally become a lifetime of appeals.
We know it'll be a long process until we get to finality with sentence, but we're prepared to go that long road until justice is served for Cherish.
Now, Donald Smith, who is in his early 60s, will almost certainly die in prison, but given the amount of time that it takes to process death penalty cases, it's not clear that he'll ever see the death sentence that he received today. At the Duval County Courthouse live, I'm Ann Schindler, First Coast News, On Your Side.